So I don't know if you guys can see it too well, but there are two trains in that shot. One's in the maintenance bay, one's on the brake run. So the ride-out booth has gotten some more stuff on it. It looks like it just needs painting now, and it should be good to go. The roof, I don't know if they're gonna paint that. I'm pretty sure they probably will, but we'll have to see. Also, the gift shop, it looks like the glass panes are finally in for the top, like, circular thing. I honestly suck with names, as you can probably tell. So we've got two trains on the brake run. One has water dummies back in it. I wonder what they're doing with those. Maybe one of the trains was having some issues making it all the way through. But yeah, I don't know, because all of them were empty, I think, last I saw, but I'm not entirely sure on that. It also looks like the mural is pretty much done. I think it's actually completely done, because I have not seen any paint put on in the last couple of weeks, and it looks amazing. So I just jumped up. So this is yellow train up front. I think this is white train. And then orange train is on the transfer track. Oh, I got two construction workers in that shot. But yeah, and it looks like they might bring over the orange train for testing. Let's hope so. So they brought the fence out past the exit, so you can't get over to the exit queue, which is good. And then also they extended the station railing a little bit. So it looks like all the fencing is up on this side of the station. No concrete has gone in here yet, so they'll still need to do that. But this wall that's around the lift is now painted blue. I mean, look at all the blue. So it looks like they're getting ready to put concrete on this side. But here's the entrance, all concreted up. It's looking great. So last night they actually started light testing. I will put a video in for that right now. It's from our buddy at Mostly Coasters on Instagram. Make sure you'll follow him. But we're gonna actually probably stay up late tonight and see if there's any testing tonight. So it looks like most of the rock work over here is complete. The new passageway back here is looking great, like that little area. If my camera would focus, it looks amazing. We're about to go on Sky Cabin and check it all out from up above. So just as an update on Accelerator, it will not be opening until like Friday is what it said. It says that it is closed until Thursday, April 5th. Hopefully it'll open by the 6th, but we still don't know. It says it'll open by the 6th, but we'll see. So there's a worker going up in a lift right now, probably checking out the lights, which is a great sign, hopefully. I don't know, really. So an interesting thing I didn't notice, they even have some lights, I think those are lights, I'm not entirely sure though, on the support structure for the first drop. So we've seen the on-ride photo online on the live stream, but there it is right there. It's at the end of the Cobra roll, so like right before the brake run, so you're gonna come around here and down, and then your picture will be taken about right here is where it's going to be on the bottom half. But there is your official camera for your fun pics.